Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is a product collaboration in coordination with a company on Amazon. The company name is CHAMUTY. Again, you'll find them on Amazon. This is a 110 liter laundry hamper with lid. It's pretty self-explanatory how to assemble it, but there will be a product description paper in with the product to show you how to assemble it. I have already started the assembly. I'm simply putting the poles in order to make it sturdy on the sides, and then I'll show you just how nice this looks and of course how well it works. Make sure you check the description box in order to see all of the product information. I am simply inserting the netted laundry bag inside, and as you can see here, I've completed the installation again, or completed the assembly. Again, this is a 110 liter laundry hamper with lid. It's easy to assemble, it's high quality, it's durable, and as you can see, is very versatile. What I particularly like is that you can detach the Velcro and pull out the laundry bag without taking the entire hamper in order to transport your clothes to or closer to the washer and dryer. On the side, it does have this unique transparent window in order for you to see how many clothes you have in the hamper without opening the lid, and you can see the slot there is where the transparent window is in order to view how many clothes are in there. I'm simply closing the lid now so you can get a better idea of the laundry hamper itself. Once again, that's the see-through transparent window, and as you can see, it's perfect. Even though this is a laundry hamper, I always like to share some of the other things that you can do with it. Of course, you can put your laundry in here. You can also, if you line the laundry bag or the hamper with a plastic bag, you can use it as a recycling bin, and you can also use it in a salon to store or place the hand towels that are used when the hair is washed or dried. I'm going to go ahead and transport this into my laundry room and just kind of show you how it makes my laundry room not only look better, but function better as well. hamper is now in my laundry room, and I'm taking out the removable laundry bag. As you can see, I just have towels and washcloths in here, but the ideal is to show you that it's sturdy and also to give you an idea or better idea of how many items you can actually place. Again, this is 110 liters. You can see my hand is near the transparent unique window, so you can just look through the slot and you will not have to open the lid of the hamper. I'm now showing you how you can roll any type of hand towel or towels where you can use this hamper in a salon. And of course, now I've lined the laundry hamper with a bag in order to drop in the recyclables. Again, all of the information related to this product is in the description box. This is Freddie. I'm Freddie King's Home Decor, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Just hope it makes no sense.